Okay.
Welcome students. Today we are going to see the topic square prism solid. The problem is a square prism of base side 30 mm and axis height 60 mm resting on one of its base on HP horizontal plane 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw its projection. Okay. The given solid is square prism. Base side 30 mm, that is base side is 30 mm, height 60 mm, axis height 60 mm, resting on one of its base on HP. Assume that this is a vertical plane, this is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. This is a square prism. Square prism consists of both the top and front square. Square prism. Base side 30 mm, the axis height 60 mm is resting on its base on HP, and its axis, the axis moves from the top to bottom, in middle it moves top to bottom. The axis is inclined 30 degree to HP, 30 degree to horizontal plane and parallel to VP. Draw its position. We have to see the front view and top view of the object like this. So first we have to draw the simple position. Viewers always see the object from the in front of the object. This is a vertical plane, this is a horizontal plane. The object is in first quadrant. Object is placed between vertical plane and the observer. So we are seeing from the front view. So this information we can get this information. Suppose we for your convenience, I tilted this. This is a top view. Assume that this is the top view. In the top view, you have seen the square information. You can get the square information. So where we have to start the diagram? First, the base information. Where we get the base information, that we have to start. We can get the base or face information we can get from the top view. So we can start the top view first. Draw the XY line by using two expensive X and Y to HP pencil. Write it X and Y. You have to write using HP pencil. Then we have to draw the top view. Keep some distance, at least 20 mm from the XY reference line. Draw the square by using HP pencil. This is a square. Assume that this is a square prism. So we have seen from the top, we can get this portion we can see from the top. So A1, B1, C1, D1 are visible edges. Visible. A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1 and D1, C1, D1, D1, A1 edges are visible. So we have to start from here. A1 is visible. In the top view, A1 is specified as A1 in smaller case, and B1, this is C1 and this is D1. Okay, so we have seen from the top, A1 is visible, A is not visible, but A1 is there, and A is not visible. So we mentioned in the bracket A, B, C, and D. Then you have to mark the dimension. Dimension line, you have to keep some distance to 1 or 2 mm. By using two extensions, draw a dimension line, dimension extension line and dimension line. By using two extensions, then we have to draw the arrowhead by using HP pencil. Dimension given is 30 mm. So mark 30 mm in the middle of the center dimension line and keep some distance from the dimension line. So this is top view. This is called top view. So then we have to project each and every corner to draw the front view. First start the A1. A1 we have to project, we want to project A1 to XY reference line. So A1 passes through D1 line, D1, and D1 is projected through C1. This is a projection line using 2x pencil. Then we have to draw the front view. The front view is started from here. This is the front view. Front view. This is A1. Here, this is the front view. This is A1 is visible. A1 is visible. A is also on the bottom. A is also visible. B1 visible. B visible. Back side C1C and D1D is not visible. So then we have to draw the front view. Before that, we have to draw the axis line by using 2H pencil. Axis line. Axis height is 60 mm. We have to measure the 60 mm from the base, XY reference line. Then we have to draw the base. This is the base. Then up to 60 mm we have to draw the front view. This is 60 mm. Here, basically from this side, A1 and A are visible, B1 and B are visible. Two extremement and in front of the extremement are visible. Here, the two extremement is there. So A1A is visible, B1D is also visible. So this is A1 dash, and front view we don't mark dash, small case with the dash. A1 dash, and bottom A dash visible. B1 dash visible, B dash visible. And back side behind the B1, C1 is there, so we can't see the C1 directly, so C1 dash is in the bracket, C dash. This is C dash, this is D dash, here D1 dash. Then mark the dimension. Then we have to draw this is a simple question, simple front view and top view. Then we have to draw the inclination position. First we have to draw the simple position like this. The object is resting on HD. Resting on its base on HD. This is the base, this is the corner. This is the base. Two endpoints are corner. So this problem they are given edge resting. So the edge is resting on HD and inclined axis is inclined 30 degree to HD. So we have to draw like this. Then we have the third diagram. We have to tilt this axis is tilted 30 degree. The same rectangle tilted 30 degree. For the base here, the base side is 30 and resting on 60 mm resting on HD. On one of its base on HD. Base means this is the base. Base consists of two ends, B and C. So this is the base, B dash and C dash is base. Mark some distance from this front view. This point is mentioned as B dash bracket C dash. We have to tilt the similar diagram to 30 degree. Here the axis is inclined 30 degree to HD. So first draw the base information. Here axis inclination is 30 degree to HD and parallel to VP. For the simplification, base is always inclined to base. So axis base equal to 90 degree minus axis. That is 90 degree minus 30, 60 degree. First we have to draw the base information, then we have to draw the other information. So that we have to draw the base first 60 degree. Fix the protractor here and mark the 60 degree. This is 60 degree. In the problem, they are given us 30 degree to VP, 30 degree to HP. Horizontal. The axis is inclined 30 degree to HP. So we have to draw the base first. Base means 90 degree minus axis. 90 degree minus 30 equal to 60 degree. 60 degree, draw the diagram. We use to fix the point B dash, C dash, and then protract is used to measure the 60 degree. Then we have to draw the line with 2H pencil. We are using 2H pencil first. Then use the compass. Pin point is here and pencil point is here to measure the dimension. Then we have to say keep the compass and come here and make the arc like this. So the same information is printed here. This is B dash, C dash, here A dash, B dash. Then we have to draw the line using HP pencil. There is the unwanted portion. Then we have to mark the axis line. Use the compass pin point here and the pencil point is here. Mark this and then make the order here. This is the axis point. Then we have to draw the perpendicular line. Perpendicular. Here this is 90 degree. All the edges are 90 degree. So we have to the same square is the same rectangle is tilted here. Front is tilted here. Draw the perpendicular up to 60 mm. Same dimension. This is the axis. In the top, A1 dash and B1 dash. Here, B dash, B1 dash, bracket C1 dash. We complete the same diagram and mark here. Why they are putting 60 degree means here 90 degree. This angle is 180. 90 minus 30 degree equal to 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. 30 degree and 60 degree. So we have to mark 30 degree like this. 30 degree. Then we have to draw the final diagram. This is a simple position diagram. This is the inclination diagram. Inclination of front view. Inclination top view. We have to draw here. Then next step is projected. This is a A1 dash here. A dash. A at the same point. So draw the horizontal line here, vertical line. Intersect point is we have to mark the A. Intersect point is we have to mark A. Then B, this is B dash, here B, this point is B. Then C, here C, this point is marked as C. It's same like this is a D. This is D point. Then A1 is projected here. Here A1 is projected here. Intersect point is A1. Here B1. This is B1. B1. This is C1. B1. After that, we have to draw the boundary of this object. Boundary of this diagram. Start from A, moves like this up to B1. Then we have to draw the C1, B and A. This we finish the boundary of this top view. Then we have to mark the. We have to write the parts of this object. Parts of square prism. This is used to check the diagram whether we have completed the diagram or not. We have to check by using this parts of prism. The parts consist of base information, top face information. This is called base. This is top face. This This is a vertical edges. So we have to mark the middle part. Bottom base edges. Bottom base edges. Top face edges. Find the vertical edges. Bottom base edges A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A. A, B, B, C, C, D and then D, A. This is the base edges. Top face edges A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1, D1 and A1. A1, B1, B1, C1, C1, D1, D1, A1. This is the top face edges. Vertical edges A1A, B1B, C1C, D1D. A1A, B1B, C1C, D1D. So we write the parts of square prism. Then we come this side. We have to complete this diagram final front view. You see for the front view you are seeing from this side. For the top view you see from this side. A1A and B1B are visible. Behind these points are invisible. So we have to check whether visible or not. We have to check it. First point is A, B is the bottom base edges. Bottom base edges already we completed through the boundary. So we put the tick here. B, C, B and C are not connected here. So verify whether the B and C are visible or not. D1D and A1A are visible. B1B, C1C, sorry, B, C are invisible. So we connected by using dotted lines, by using HB pencil. HB pencil we have to connect the B and C dotted lines. Then whether B and C is connected by using dotted lines. C and D already connected to boundaries. D and A by using boundaries. So A and D already connected to boundary. B and C we have check through this side the dotted line, and then C and D boundary, D and A connected to boundary. So we leave it. Bottom base edges we are completing the bottom base edges. Top face edges A1, B1, B1, C1, D1, C1, D1, D1, A1. A1, B1 is already connected to boundary, so leave it. B1 and C1 already connected to boundary, leave it. So put a tick mark. C1, D1 already connected. D1, A1 is not connected. So verify from this side. Both ends are visible, so we have to mark using HB pencil. Continuous line. Completely, we are completing the top faces. And then finally, vertical edges. Vertical edges A1A, B1B, C1C, D1D. It's visible or not? We have to verify it. A1A visible. It's already connected to boundary, so leave it. If not connected, we have to check this. Otherwise, we have to leave it. B1B is already connected, so leave it. C1C is also connected to boundary. Okay, leave it. D1D is also connected to boundary. This column, all the edges, boundary edges are vertical edges are connected, but some other columns it is not to be connected. So we have to verify whether it is connected or not, and then you have to check this using this parts of square prism. If you have any doubt, please comment.